You know, I don't know if she finds that very sexy. Not sure she... Ooh, well, okay. That's not, you know, the best way to get girls, but that's okay.
You feed them, you raise them, you send them to school, and they're still stupid!
Hi, Stuart. Yes!
Hey, Poppy. Hey, Poppy.
Good morning, everybody. It's time for your morning boops. Let me boop you. Let me boop you. Let me boop you. Let me give you a boopster on your nose. Let me boop. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Tell the difference between a purebred duck and an inbred duck. This is a purebred duck. And this duck is inbred.
Watch out! Hey! Hey!
Give me back my bucket. Come here. Give me back my bucket. Come.
Leave me alone.
Dear God, did you fall off the swing? Oh no. You fell? You gotta be careful on these swings.
Gotta get close, get...
Caitlin, back at it again with the chickens.
Carol! Oh! Carol, no! Carol, no! Carol, no! She just flipped that sheep. Carol, no! Oh my gosh. That poor sheep. She just freaking yeeted that sucker. Mama, you alright? Holy smokes, you good? Luckily she's got all that padding to cushion that. Dude, she's giving the RKO, dude. Oh my gosh.
Watch out! One time.
cow thing. Oh no,
This is Reginald. He's a purebred Doberman Haversham. He costs $2,000 and we're on a waiting list for 2 years to get him. These are my babies, Chonko and Fuckass. I found them in a dumpster and I love them more than life itself.
You know, DJ, everyone loved your video. Yeah. So now, apparently you are liked. Not by me, but by a lot of other people. I don't know why. I mean, look at you, you're a douchebag. Hey. Come on. I mean, you walk up to you and you give me nothing but attitude. Like that. I walk up to you all nice and you just give me the cold shoulder. I just want to have a conversation with you. Is that too much to ask? You know what? I'm done with your attitude. So I'm gonna go give grain to bulls that appreciate me. Patrick! What up, Pat? How you doing, buddy? Hey, buddy. See, this is what I needed. A bull that actually appreciates me. Isn't that right, buddy? Yeah. Yeah. Boop.
That's quite amazing because it's dropped down off something that's about...
Morning, Mr. Pig. Are you enjoying your day outside? I feel like the internet might ban me if I don't put a Mr. Pig video every day. Yeah, I think it's illegal to keep stuff that's so cute from the rest of the world. So I'm really just doing my duty as a good citizen. Oh, you want to say hello to all your friends? Hi, thank you. Here's a boop from me. Boop! I just want to say, I'm gonna kill this rooster. Get out of my way, dude. Dude, get out of my way. Oh, yeah, get that rooster. That rooster ain't got nothing on you. Mr. Pig's not scared, man. He's not scared of you, rooster. I'll get you guys. I get you good. Don't mess with me. You went so fast, I almost missed it. Are you gonna eat my tripod? He says, stay out of my way. Waddle, 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 waddle. I'd like to say hi to all my fans and thank you for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow when I smell stuff and eat again